So about a month ago, I did a quick review of Milwaukee's M18 pole saw, but I have yet to see a general maintenance video for it. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to take the attachment apart so you can clean it up or swap the chain. Let's get started. The first step is removing the battery and the attachment from the power head if you haven't done so already. We need to remove the drive cover by loosening this nut using the adjustment tool that the kit came with. And if for some reason you no longer have this, then you'll need to use a 13mm socket. You need to loosen the chain by turning the chain tensioning screw counterclockwise using the flathead side of the adjustment tool. Then pull the guide bar off the guide bar bolts and unloop the chain from the drive hub. Make sure you're careful when removing the sharp chain, and I'll be using a rag and some parts cleaner for the individual parts. Just in case you're curious, the replacement chain is Milwaukee part number 49162723. For reinstallation, you want to make sure you wrap the new or sharpened chain around the guide bar in the direction that's indicated on the tool, and ensure the chain is properly set in the slot around the entire guide bar. And since the wording on the bar faced the reservoir, I'm going to make sure I reinstall it in the same way, looping the chain around the hub and fitting the bar around the bolt. Then tighten the tensioning screw until the chain is snug around the guide bar and there's no visible sag in the chain. Then tighten the guide bar nut. I squeezed the trigger a couple times just to lubricate the blade before storing, and until next time, y'all stay tuned.